Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. I think it's the last Monday of 2025. Yes, I believe so, because today is the 29th. So, I'm going to get straight to it. It's cold out there. Yeah. For those of you who don't know, that's pointing to my sliding glass door. All right. Last night, Robin and I, what's the word I'm looking for? I'll just say it. We teamed up and collaborated. That's the word. Collaborated on a Texas-style chili. I've made chili over and over and over, but it's always been with beans and, kind of the Midwest style that I grew up with. So we did a Texas style. It's very good. If you follow the ingredients, it's not really hot. There's not a lot of heat. There's a little bit. But the flavors are very stacked. They're very deep. I've already gotten questions on where to get some of these chili powders. Contact me. That's the first thing. Or first thing is actually check your local stores, your local regular supermarkets, and your Mexican markets if you have them in your area. Then if you can't find certain ones, contact me. That's why I'm here. It's really good. Try it. Okay, chili. All right. Tonight, I'm introducing Robin to the Vatican-style pasta and oil. I'm tired of trying to say those words. The Vatican-style pasta and oil. Pasta and oil that I discovered during the culinary expedition this year. And as you know, I have prepared this a few more times for myself, using various peppers and so forth. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start off with my favorite linguine. Olive oil. I'm going to add half of a Roma tomato, diced. Garlic, you got to have garlic. I'm going to be using the Aleppo pepper. Parsley. Kosher salt. It's that basic and simple. If you actually remove the Roma tomato out of the equation, that's the base recipe. And you can use regular chili flakes or whatever chili flakes that you prefer. What I love about this recipe is the way you heat the oil and infuse the garlic and the pepper. Yeah, it's just, oof. Then it coats the pasta. All right. On this Monday, stay safe. It's fog out there, at least here in Northern California. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.